This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. It is set to be one of the best action cameras of 2024. In this video, we will cover all the leaks about it, including the specs and the expected release date. Let's get into it. The external design is still pretty similar, but there are some noticeable hardware upgrades. Starting with the most evident one in this photo, which is the interchangeable lens, which finally allows direct ND filters insert, and also lens replacing in case of damage, without needing to send the camera to repair. Next, the sensor is once again a Leica Super Summerit A. I can't obviously tell the sensor size from the image, but might be the same size by comparing it with the Ace Pro one. Moving on. On the front screen, we can see that it will record up to 8K 30 frames per second in 16:9, instead of 24 frames per second of the Ace Pro one. The screen also displays if there's an SD card inserted. The battery status and the light below the screen seems to now be RGB. The camera now says Dual AI chip below the screen, hinting to an upgrade in video processing, with a new internal double chip. Even the Action 5 Pro, coming out on September 19th, will feature a new 4nm chip, dedicated to processing ultra slow-motion video, reaching up to 960 frames per second slow-mo. So hopefully the new chip on the Ace Pro 2 will bring improved video processing in low light or in difficult light scenarios, one of the things that action cameras are still bad at managing. Finally, the last change I can spot is the microphone, now in a new big grill under the sensor. The fact it's significantly bigger should bring audio recording improvements. As for the release date, it could even be released in September, since Insta360 anticipated that there will be big announcements this month. Subscribe to stay updated with all the new leaks. With daily update posts and videos,